Good morning, everyone. I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed level 2 7 problems. Now I am going to discuss that eighth problem. See here, eighth problem, what they are given. Cos alpha is equal to 2 cos beta minus 1 divided by 2 minus cos beta given. So here, cos alpha, that is equal to 2 cos beta minus 1 divided by 2 minus cos beta. So cos alpha means I am writing cos alpha divided by 1. Use componendo dividendo method. So I am going to use that 1 minus cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha. 1 means denominator, that is 2 minus cos beta minus cos alpha means numerator, 2 cos beta minus 1 divided by 2 minus cos beta plus 2 cos beta minus 1. And left hand side, see that 1 minus cos alpha. What is 1 minus cos alpha? That is 2 sine square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus cos alpha means 2 cos square alpha by 2. This is submultiple angle formula. And the numerator, observe that right hand side, you will get 3 minus 3 cos beta. And in the denominator, so what will come? 2 minus 1, 1 plus cos beta. This is. Here 2 to cancel. Sine square alpha by 2 divided by cos square alpha by 2. That is tan square alpha by 2. That is equal to numerator, take 3 common, and the remaining part is 1 minus cos beta. 1 minus cos beta formula 2 sine square beta by 2. And denominator 1 plus cos beta, that is 2 cos square beta by 2. Okay, here 2 to cancel. Tan square alpha by 2, that is equal to 3 into sine by cos, that is tan square beta by 2. Now this is tan alpha by 2 whole square. Here also we can write root 3 into tan beta by 2 whole square. Okay, now see that both the sides square is there, eliminate that. Remaining tan alpha by 2 is equal to root 3 into tan beta by 2. This is. But here they are given one condition. Alpha plus beta is equal to pi. Alpha plus beta is equal to pi. Divide on both sides 2. Alpha by 2 plus beta by 2. That is equal to pi by 2. Okay. What is beta by 2, students, here? Beta by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. Okay. So now, instead of beta by 2, we can write what? Pi by 2 minus alpha by 2. Here, tan 90 is going to change cot root 3. This is tan 90 is going to change cot root 3 cot alpha by 2. Okay. Now here cot alpha by 2 means how to write? 1 by tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2. Already left hand side tan alpha by 2 is there. Okay. Now tan alpha by 2 into tan alpha by 2. Tan square alpha by 2. That is equal to root 3. Root 3 means we can write 3 power 1 by 2. Now finally I'm writing here tan alpha by 2. Square send right hand side, it is going to square root. That means 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. So total how much, students? That is 3 power 1 by 4. This is the answer. So tan alpha by 2 is how much? 3 power 1 by 4. So first option is correct. Here observe that ninth question. Secant theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. Secant theta means we can write 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. Take the LCM. Numerator we get 1 minus cos squared theta divided by cos squared theta, that is send right hand side. So we get cos theta. Next 1 minus cos squared theta, that is sin square theta. Sin square theta, that is equal to, what is cos theta formula? Cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. This is one formula. Or 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. This is another formula. Or 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Or 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta. There are 4 formulas. These are all submultiple angle formulas. So which formula we want to use? Tell me. So I am going to apply this formula. Then we get easy calculation. So this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2, send the left hand side. Already one term is there, totally 3 sin square theta by 2, that is equal to 1. Students, what is sin square theta by 2? That is equal to 1 by 3. Now, square send right hand side, you will get sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now, take here right angle triangle. Sine means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Then what is adjacent side? Under root 3 minus 1. So what will come? That is 3 minus 1. That value should be root 2. Root 2. Then what is tan theta by 2? Tan theta by 2 value, we are getting 1 by root 2. But see the options. Overall, here we are done mistake. This is, here only sin squared theta is there, but here we are taken 1 minus 2 sin squared theta by 2. So here calculation mistake. Any alternative method? tan squared theta. Cos theta formula, we can use 1 minus tan squared theta by 1 plus tan squared theta by 2. So we get answer. So completely this is wrong. Go to alternative method where here onwards. Now see here, cos theta formula, what is that? 1 minus tan squared theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan squared theta by 2. But 1 by cos theta means we get 1 plus tan squared theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan squared theta by 2 minus cos theta means 1 minus tan squared theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan squared theta by 2. This is equal to 1. Take the LCM. The denominator a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. That is tan power 4 theta by 2. Numerator we get 1 plus tan squared theta by 2 whole square minus here 1 minus tan squared theta by 2 whole square. That is equal to 1. Numerator, that is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. What is the formula? 4ab. That means 4, a means 1, b means tan square theta by 2. That is equal to denominator, send right hand side, we get 1 minus tan power 4 theta by 2. Now right hand side value send left hand side, tan power 4 theta by 2 plus 4 tan square theta by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then here take that, let p is equal to tan square theta by 2. Then we get quadratic equation and p square plus 4p minus 1, that is equal to 0. P square plus 4p means I am writing 2 into 2 into p. This is a square plus 2ab. So here we need 4 and add 4, subtract 4. Now these three terms we can write p plus 4 whole square, that is equal to 5. Now p plus 4, that is equal to root 5. Then what is this is not 4, sorry, 2. This is 2. So p is equal to root 5 minus 2. What is p? That is tan square theta by 2. That value should be root 5 minus 2. This is the final. So I am going to 10th question. So what we need to find? Cos alpha. Cos alpha formula 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Submultiple angle formula. In this case, what is tan alpha by 2 value, students? And root 1 minus e by 1 plus e, send right hand side. You will get root 1 plus e divided by 1 minus e into tan theta by 2. This is only tan alpha by 2 value. Now I am going to take squaring on both sides. Tan square alpha by 2, that is 1 plus e divided by 1 minus e into what? Tan square theta by 2. So these tan square alpha by 2 substitute in the question here. Tell me 1 minus 1 plus e divided by 1 minus e into tan square theta by 2. Same as in the denominator also. 1 plus 1 minus e divided by 1 plus e into tan square theta by 2. Numerator and denominator take LCM. Students, what is the LCM? Tell me. Here I am written mistake. This is 1 plus e. Denominator 1 minus e. Numerator and denominator 1 minus e is the LCM or not? Now we get 1 minus e into minus 1 plus e into tan square theta by 2 divided by denominator 1 minus e plus 1 plus e tan square theta by 2. Now numerator, expand that 1 minus e minus tan square theta by 2. Next, minus e tan square theta by 2. What about denominator, students? 1 minus e plus tan square theta by 2 plus tan square theta by 2 plus e tan square theta by 2. This is. Now, here 1 minus tan square theta by 2 take 1 unit. Remaining two terms take minus e common. You will get 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Sir, no. Same as in the denominator. Denominator 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now e terms, observe that. Take minus e common. You will get 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Numerator and denominator, take 1 plus tan square theta by 2 common. 1 plus tan square theta by 2 common. Remaining we get 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2 minus e. This is only numerator. Same as in the denominator also. What is the common? 1 plus tan square theta by 2 is the common. Remaining 1 minus e into 1 minus tan square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So here observe that these two cancel. Now what is the formula of 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2? That is cos theta or not? Cos theta minus e divided by 1 minus e cos theta. Finally, this is the answer. Cos theta minus e divided by 1 minus e cos theta. See the options. Cos theta minus e divided by 1 minus e cos theta.